to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before. From Star Trek and Star Wars to E.T. and Independence Day, the idea of alien life has always captured our imagination. But now, it's not just science fiction anymore. A planet 700 trillion miles away might just hold the first signs of life beyond Earth. And it's not aliens with ray guns. Think more like plankton floating in an alien ocean. Scientists at Cambridge University, using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, have made a groundbreaking discovery on a planet called K218b. It's about 2.5 times bigger than Earth and sits in what's called the habitable zone, a region where liquid water could exist. And here's the jaw-dropping part. They detected a gas in the planet's atmosphere, dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is only produced by living organisms, especially marine microbes like phytoplankton. You might be wondering, how can we detect gases from that far away? Professor Niku Madhusudan, lead scientist at Cambridge, explains that they used a method called the transit technique. When the planet passes in front of its star, a tiny amount of starlight filters through its atmosphere. That light changes ever so slightly, and those color shifts act like molecular fingerprints. By analyzing those patterns, scientists can figure out what molecules are floating in the air up there, and what they found could change everything. According to Professor Niku Madhusudan, for the first time in the history of our species, we may actually be seeing signs of life elsewhere. This is, in my view, a transformational moment, not just for astronomy, but for understanding our place in the universe. But hold on before we get ahead of ourselves. The team is not claiming they found life. They're saying they've found molecules that could point to life. And they're 99.7% sure those molecules are there. Now they need to confirm whether those gases can only be made by life, or if there might be other unknown processes at play. So what kind of life are we talking about? According to the research, it's likely to be microbial life, tiny organisms, maybe floating in alien oceans. The gas DMS is mostly made by phytoplankton in Earth's oceans. So if something similar is happening on K218b, that's huge. It's not blue aliens like Avatar, but it is a big step toward answering the age-old question. Are we alone? This could take years, but the potential is massive. Even if we don't find intelligent life, this discovery could mean life is common in the universe, just not as we imagined it. According to Professor Madhusudan, this is the strongest evidence we've ever seen. Even if it's not conclusive yet, it's a very big first step. So, is this the moment we've been waiting for? Are we finally on the verge of discovering we're not alone?